Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is, "After putting countless lives at risk, she faces the consequences."
On May 10, 2025, a city celebration was underway when a woman made a reckless decision that put dozens of lives at risk.
I apologize, but I do need to go. So, can I move this?
No. The road's closed now.
But that's what I'm saying. And all these residents, there's only one way out.
I understand, but it was advertised.
Yeah, so they told me to move my car in here.
Right, but the road is closed and we can't let people out, okay?
Okay, so like I said, I apologize, but I'm not going to move this.
No, you can't. You can't move the cones. The road's closed. 10, start your unit to the Patuxent place. I apologize for the inconvenience. I'd be happy to call you a taxi.
There has to be another way. I'm not taking a taxi all the way to Virginia. I work in Virginia.
I understand. And I apologize for the inconvenience. But unfortunately,
I don't have to come back. I just need to get out. I need to get out. I need to get out. Like, is there any way you can call somebody to, like...
I can't. Unfortunately, there's several people that I've had to say they can't come out. But this is just one of those times where I can't let you out. Check with the fire rescue down there. They'll probably be able to help you.
I'm not trying to be against nobody's law, but I gotta go. So,
I understand. I can't have you do that.
But I gotta
Stop. Stop. You cannot move this. I'm telling you right now.
Oh, I gotta go to work. What do you want me to do? Like, I have to go to work.
You cannot get out. I can't help you with that. Please do not disturb this area.
I might have to.
Ma'am.
I'm so sorry.
You're going to be placed under arrest. 10 of a vehicle trying to run through the roadblock. It's 2 George Lincoln 4626. Stop! Stop your car! Stop! Stop!
Excuse me, y'all.
10, there's a lady running down the street now in a BMW. Stop! We're at 6 now. Stop! Stop! Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Now you're going to jail.
Get out of the car. You're under arrest.
Okay. Damn it. Okay, I'm just trying to get to work. I didn't even get to work. Okay.
You definitely ain't going to work now. Stupid. Fucking stupid. Unbelievable.
Okay, can I at least take
10-1 in custody.
Fuck. Alright, y'all got a report. I'm just trying to get to work. I live in these apartments
10,
and there's
get us
no
a
other way
transport
out.
to 6 and PG.
Can you at least call me back?
Unfreaking believable.
Call my mom!
Here.
Bro, okay,
here.
okay.
Relax. Relax. Stop.
It amazes me. What goes through people's mind thinking that this is okay?
10 to Adam 5, secure that vehicle.
Oh, I'm tired of living here. Is it every time I have to do never get out? Okay. Touch me another way. Please, like this. We are.
Stop.
Bro.
Everything's on camera. Stop.
I don't care. This is uncomfortable. And my mom is right there. She's your caller.
You're under arrest.
Grown adults always want to call their mommy when they get in trouble.
Sit. Turn around, sit on the wall. Sit.
Okay, you can stop pushing me.
Sit on the wall.
So, can I go call my mom?
Do you have any injuries?
What?
Do you have any injuries?
No.
Okay. Stop. Just sit on the wall.
I just need to go to fucking work. Like, that's
Well, you're
all
under
I
arrest.
do.
So stop.
Bro, where's my phone?
Aw,
Just call my mom.
call her mom.
Oh, so you can get my car out, right? So let me go. Let me go. Let me go. I'm just trying to go to work, bro.
Stop. Relax.
No. Stop. Stop. Bro, get me up. I'm just trying to go to work. I'm literally, all I'm trying to do is go to work.
You're not going to work now.
Okay, well, can you get off of me?
Are you going to stop and sit?
I'm trying.
Sit. You may
What?
sit. You may not stand
So
up. You
get
may
off
sit.
me, God.
So you can sit.
Oh, sit like a dog. Bad dog, bad dog.
Just sit. You're not going anywhere. You're under
Sit.
arrest.
Stay.
How much to get out? 'Cause
Stay.
I gotta go to work.
I gotta go to work.
And who got my phone? Can you call my mom? She's literally in the apartment right there.
No.
You know what I think? The reason that they always say call my mom, and we seen it, we seen this example, and if you didn't see the video about the girl who drove past the police officers and the father rung her a new one and everything like that, got on her ass, and then mom just came and bailed her out or whatever, you know, no problem. Mom is gonna save her ass. I'm gonna have that video at the end of this video, so in case you care to watch that, right? But here's the thing, right? Moms are going to save their baby butt, boy. That's why it's much more comforting to call their mom when they are in trouble. You know what I'm saying? Which is normal. I'm not saying it's a bad thing or whatever the case may be, but there has to be a fine line, man, where it's like you got yourself into this mess and you're going to get yourself out of it when it comes to criminal activities. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on now. Criminal activity, I can't be. Listen, you know what I'm saying? You should have acted right. You ain't act right. That's why you in this mess that you in now. You know, when it comes to criminal stuff, come on, you expect your mom to get you out of this when there is blocked off, they doing a parade or whatever it is that they're doing, and you thought that it was a bright idea to almost run over a lot of people, including the officer. When that compound has probably had notices near the elevators and everything, so it's not like she didn't know that this was happening. You just didn't do the proper thing and park yourself somewhere else on the side street or something like that. And now you worried about going to work. Well, you got a lot bigger things to worry about than going to work.
Wasn't gonna hit nobody.
You almost hit 25 people coming out of the street.
Is it hit?
All you had to do was listen to me, and you could have left. Instead, you bumped me with your car and then drove down the street and almost hit 16, 15 people. What is wrong with you?
I'm trying to get to work.
Okay, we said you couldn't drive. You could have taken an Uber, but no, you wanted to drive your car out in the middle of the street.
And I told you my circumstances, so...
Your circumstances don't justify your behavior.
See what I did wrong, but...
Oh, see, that's the problem.
Okay, all right, can you take me out these cuffs? They're uncomfortable.
You're under arrest. You're going to jail.
Okay, stop touching me. Just get off me then. Just stop touching me.
Sit and stop
Okay,
trying
get
to-
off of me.
I'm not getting off of you.
I'm not about to do nothing.
Based on your behavior, I don't trust the words coming out of your mouth.
And she's still wiggling around.
God.
Boy, where's her daddy, boy? Gotta straighten her out, man.
All right, stop doing that. Like
We'll
what?
call you guys to the station if you need anything.
Who's saying? Fuck.
You still have a patrol unit coming for transport?
Damn.
This is a planned thing. Her male counterpart asked if she could get out. Officer Kadiri gave them an option that he would escort them. That was like over an hour ago to get them out of 7th Street. They didn't come out to do it at that time, and she just did all this. So, are you good?
Oh, wow.
She just pushed me out of the way of the car. That's all.
This is that car.
What, from last night?
So you guys have prior interaction?
Not with her.
Not with her.
The male half.
Male half came to me asking for her to get out, so I told her, you can go and tell her if she comes out right now, we can get her car out of there before Main Street fills up.
Nobody told me that.
Post. That was 2.5 hours ago.
I was gonna break the window out. I thought she had the door locked, and it says you got it. I was just.
All right, now can you call my mom?
No. You're an adult. How old are you?
It's not about the age, it's about where she's at. She's right there.
She ain't gonna help you.
What's the date of birth here?
96.
Okay. Yeah, you're an adult.
I never said I wasn't. I'm just saying she's right there. Like literally right there.
Okay. You're an adult.
Okay.
Stay there.
Don't pull away. Don't pull away. We don't need any more of this.
You're fine.
Just be gentle. That's all I'm asking.
I gotta ride back with you if you have space. I'm not riding in the back. Well, I guess I can. It's a half cage.
Do you have anything in your pockets? Hang on.
Instead of being late to work, she ended up being on time for jail. And after putting countless lives at risk, she now faces the consequences of her own reckless choices. Should someone with this mind...
I like that. I like that little AI joke. That's funny. Instead of being late for work, she was on time for jail. Yo, these AI voices be killing me. That's so funny. But yeah, man, she's a crash out. She's a crash out, man. Apartment complexes and things like that will always let you know when there's big events coming up and it might affect the flow of traffic. I don't care what I don't care if you live in a condo, apartment, whatever. Like, there's posters up when there's big events going on. You know what I'm saying? So she knew prior that she needed to move her car because something was happening, and she decided not to and had to go to work. Oh, well, you got to wait till the event's over. So that's whatever. She brought this upon herself. Anyway, I think the officers did a great job. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.